This video is going to be a review of the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. This palette is inspired by the women of the Benin tribe in West Africa. It appears to be, to me, inspired by Queen Idia, who was a warrior queen. Her name is actually on one of the shades in the palette. This palette has 9 shades, and it is supposed to be like the edgy version of the Nubian palette, which I agree with. It has all of the perfect colors, and I'll get into the colors in a few seconds. It has 32.4 grams of product, or 1.14 ounces of product in the pan. These are the larger eyeshadow pans that they carry, which is good. I recently picked this palette up, and when I picked it up, I'll insert a picture over on this side. When I picked the palette up, one of the shadows was actually broken, so I did contact their customer service, and they were very nice, very responsive. They apologized for the shade being broken, but they did mention that sometimes with the mail carriers, and because the product is so fragile, it can break and it's kind of outside of their control. But they did offer to refund me $5 for the broken shadow, which I thought was excellent. So excellent job, Juvia's Place, with the customer service and helping me to feel better about purchasing from you as a company. I am going to get into some swatches of the product. And my thing is frozen here. But I'm going to get into some swatches of the product so I can let you see how pigmented they are. First of all, this is the packaging of the Warrior palette, and yeah, you can see it right there, and I should have included a clip of it. And then this is what these shadows look like. As you can see, no mirror, which is pretty much traditional with Juvia's Place, but you have 9 large shadows. The color that I liked the most, which is this one here called Amina, that is the one that came broken, and then that is the one that they refunded me $5 for. So not only did I get it, I think I got it when they were having either 20 or 30% off. Then they refunded me the $5, so this one was a steal. It actually is a steal anyway because it's only $21 and you get 32.4 grams of product in this palette. So this is what it looks like, and the shades in the palette are, like I said, first this is Amina. The one next to it is Idia. Next to that, the dark brown is Mino. Then you have here Ahosi in the middle, Moremi. Here on the end, which is one of my favorite colors ever, is Kano. Here at the bottom, you have Benin, you have Bakwa, and you have Dahomey. So we are going to get into some swatches. And I did do my eyes today with these shades. I wanted to do like something quick and fresh because I'm not really going anywhere. But I used, of course, the Kano shade in my crease. I used Ahosi on the brow bone, and I used Amina on the lid. I also used I used Amino on the lid. I used Mino as like a liner at the bottom. But let me swatch these for you quick. The first one I am going to swatch, and even though this one came broken and I had to repair it with like alcohol, the pigmentation is still good, really good. So like this is Amina. That was the one that was broken. The next one I'm going to swatch is Idia, who is that warrior queen. That is absolutely gorgeous. The third one is the matte dark brown, which is Mino. So this is Mino, and I'll swatch one more time over it. That is Mino. The next one is Ahosi, which is a matte also. Mino, the formula of it feels dry. Ahosi, it feels sort of creamy. The next one I am going to swatch is Moremi. It's another, this one is not, well, yeah, this one is like so reflective that it looks almost white on my hand, but this is more Remy. We need to wipe off. Oh, let's use the other hand. The next one is like my favorite type of crease color, and this one is called Kano. So this is Kano here. After that is Dahomey, which is sort of a bronze. Wow, that is beautiful. And the next one there. After that is Bakwa. Beautiful as well. That was like one swipe swatch right there. And then the last one is Benin. Beautiful also. So these are the shades. You have 1, 2, 3 matte shades, but in my opinion the 3 matte shades that they chose to put in here are perfect, because you always need like a dark brown for like the outer V, or for like I use it as an eyeliner. You always, or I always need a matte sort of cream color for my brow bone. I don't like to put anything shimmery on my brow bone, so that was perfect. And then this one here is the perfect crease color or transition color. So I think whoever decided what was to go in this palette picked all the perfect palette, the perfect colors to go with the shimmery and metallic shadows in this palette. When I did my eye look today, and it's not anything fabulous at all, so I'm not even going to like take off my glasses to show you, but the only one that gave me a little bit of fallout, I think, was the Amina, and I think that's because it was like a metallic shade. But that is it, you all, and I'm going to wipe my hands off. So this, like I said, is available now on Juvia's Place website. The price of it is $21, and highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I think I would actually recommend this one over the Nubian palette because it has the perfect matte colors in this palette. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends. Make sure you hit that notification button if you are subscribed to my channel to make sure you know when I have new videos coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.